Hi, this is John with WTI, and recently I upgraded my working station and my laptop for doing all my business, gaming online, and give English classes online too. So this is where this HP Pavilion does a great job for me. So one of the things I love from this laptop is how snappy, easy to travel with it is. So normally a gaming computer would always be a problem because they're heavy, they're a hard time to put it in your backpack. But this guy is a difference while you're still packing a lot of power and the versatility of having a laptop that's going to do the work for everything you need at a high performance level, this guy here has some great things such as the portability. It's easy to just put in your backpack and it will travel with you for wherever you need it. It has a great speed, great performance. The processor, the Ryzen, it just has a great performance whenever you're trying to multitask and do gaming at a decent level. So if you're looking for a great gaming computer, gaming laptop that's gonna be easy to transport with, it's gonna give you good performance, it's gonna give you just quality, this HP Pavilion is a great, awesome opportunity. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.